Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can do and set up an elevator in Rust. So what you'll need to have is some elevators. So how many stories do you want to build up? You will need that many elevators. So let's say I wanted to build like 1, 2, 3, 4 stories building, and I needed 4 elevators because when you put the one, it will stack up like this, as you can see, and it will connect automatically. So what you'll need to have is some kind of power supply. So for this tutorial, I will use solar panel, okay, and connect it to the medium battery right here, like this. And okay, I did a mistake. So basically take the power output and go to the power in. And after that, take the power output like this and go up to the elevator. And you'll see there is a power in. And if you want to set up a call out button like this, you will need to take power out, go to the elevator again, and right here is a call elevator button. So when you click on that one, it should work perfectly fine. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.